Trav here from Monthly Missions. I'm currently headed into town. I can't remember how many times I've stopped and started this video because my thumb keeps on hitting the stop button as I try to pick up the phone from the dash, trying to record this footage from my phone and propping up on the dash, on the dashboard. The phone keeps hitting off. So this is like part 4, part 5. But yeah, I really want to film this road. Headed back into Kelowna right now. Currently driving a 5-year-old Maserati, 60,000 kilometers on it, and it's not mine. I'm going to return it right now. I have an hour and 45 minutes to return it, and I have 2 stops to make. Friends of mine left some stuff, I guess, some winter clothes at my place whenever they came over for the last couple of days. Now I've got to hit FedEx to see if I can get it shipped back to them immediately. And then I have a pair of some, like, glasses to return to Best Buy. I bought these video glasses that would record me as I'm driving and stuff, but as it turns out, you have to sign up for Facebook or sign up for Instagram before you can use the glasses. Screw that. I had Facebook. Not again. Not interested.
In 400 meters at the roundabout, take the first exit onto the British Columbia 97 North ramp to Kelowna.
Beautiful, beautiful car. So that's where the UPS is, 5 kilometers to go to the UPS. So you go over. There's Melissa's tattoo that she gave me. Hi, Melissa, if you're watching. Still love this tattoo. I spent a third of my life with Michelin, and yeah, Michelin, man. Swinging nunchucks, because I'm really, really good with the nunchucks. Or I was at one time. I used to practice blindfolded. But yeah, I had Melissa incorporate the nunchucks into my Michelin, man. But look at this. Hang a right another 4 kilometers. And this is Kelowna that we're coming into. So that's it for the scenery. So coming up to a red light here. I should put this away now. Monthly mission is signing out. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. But yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the scenery. It was like in 4 or 5 parts because I kept on accidentally hitting stop. But yeah, hopefully everybody gets to see the scenery. Take care.